So I just fired up a few of my machines in here, and you probably didn't see much dust coming out, but that's the scary part, because it's the stuff you can't see that's dangerous. That's the stuff that's going to hit your lungs. So today I'm going to show you a product that I reckon you're going to like. The scary thing is most days I come in here, I wipe my hand across a surface like this, and it is just full of dust. Now, luckily for me, there's a company that watches my videos and they actually reached out to me because they saw I don't wear dust masks in my workshop. The company is called Basecamp. They're a California-based company, and they actually reached out to me to ask if I'd be interested in trying one of their masks. Now, I did a bit of research, and what I found out is that this mask is pretty common over in Europe and North America, but it's a pretty new concept in Australia. So let's have a look at this mask and see how good it is. All right, so in the kit, we've got these filters. We've got the mask itself. We've got our nose strips, and that is it. So have a look at this. This is the mask here. You can see 2 straps off the back, a couple plastic filters on the front, a nose band, and inside there you've got your filter. So yeah, the mask, some nose strips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 filters. Sort of goes over like this. You've got these 2 straps here. So I'm guessing kind of Velcro those on like that. You've got your strap for the top. Tell you what, this actually feels quite good. There's no restriction. You can definitely feel like it's not super easy to breathe, but I guess that's a good thing because you don't probably want it to feel like you're just breathing normally. You want to feel that the actual filters are doing their job, which I feel like they are. You can change the tightness up here on these straps to, you know, fix how big your head is. And you've got the nose strip here to bend around your nose. And the Velcro, obviously, you can tighten that as you want. So I guess we should talk a little bit about why people don't really wear masks, you know? So I've been on hundreds of job sites here in Australia, and I can tell you right now, a lot of people, a lot of tradies around here just do not wear masks enough. I guess a lot of people don't wear masks because they find them uncomfortable, they don't want to wear them on their heads, their glasses fog up. Glasses fogging up for me personally would have to be one of the reasons why I generally don't wear masks all the time, even though I know I should. But I just can't handle when you're working away, your glasses start fogging up, and I just toss the mask off. So hopefully this mask I've just been given from Basecamp, it claims to be fog-free. We're going to run it through its paces in a moment and see how it goes. Now the question everyone's probably been waiting for. Let's test it with glasses and see if we get the dreaded fog. All right, I've had this on for about 10 minutes now, and it's a little bit warm today. And as you can see, maybe you can't see, there is no fog whatsoever. And that's really good because I haven't even used my nose strips yet. Now, what these are for is they actually go underneath here on the inside, and they actually sort of create more of a seal where your nose actually sits on this part here, because everyone's got different sized noses. So let's chuck that on and see if it makes any difference. But so far, without the nose strip, no fog. All right, let's try the nose strip. See what sort of difference it makes. All right, it's definitely a lot more comfortable on the nose. It's just that little bit of softness, a little bit of padding that you needed. Now let me chuck these glasses on. Supposedly that nose strip is supposed to help a little bit with the fogging if you did get any. I didn't actually get any when I started without the nose strip, but this is supposed to help a lot. So this is the M Pro. You've also got the M Plus, the M Cross, and you've got the N Plus. Now these masks aren't available in local stores, but you can buy them directly from the manufacturer from bcmask.com. If you purchase over $50, you get free shipping, plus I've secured you guys 10% off using my link below, or you can use the code TTM10, Tim the Toolman 10, for that 10% off, so make sure you use that. These masks are designed to be universally fit, so they should fit most people, whether you've got a small nose or a larger sort of nose like I do, these will fit. They're reusable, they can be put through the wash and dried, recommended to be stored back in the packaging they came in, or in a box or something out of the dust to prevent that dust buildup. I really like this mask, and I can promise you, or I hope, that this becomes pretty regular usage in my workshop because I need something. I've got to protect my lungs. If you need any help, or you have any questions or anything, please leave some comments below and I can try and help you, or maybe someone from Basecamp can reach out. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.